Aloha everyone. So my rear step bar came in today. So it came in 3 pieces. This piece, and the step. Alright, so the tools that you would need to install this is the breaker bar, socket wrench. That's it. Alright, so I went ahead and installed this ahead using these 2 bolts. Make sure it's nice and tight. And this goes on to the rear driver's side. Alright, so as you can see here, I already went ahead and took the 2 bolts out using the breaker bar. It was a pain, so make sure you have the breaker bar in hand. Go ahead and place it on the frame there. Get it real tight. Alright, so it's kind of hard to reach, so just make sure you guys have like an extension here. This is what I use here to reach. So, alright, after you're secured on the frame, it's time to install the steps. Alright, so the steps, as you can see, there's some holes in there. Alright, and then you want to go ahead and place the linkage inside those slots. So it's only come with 3, so you're going to use the first one and the last 2. Once the linkage is in there, go ahead and place the step on the mount like this. Play with it a little bit. Right. Now, so you have these 3 screws, and you install it on the bottom. Alright, it's on, nice and tight. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you install the rear step on the 3rd gen Tacoma. Thanks for watching.